Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so glad you're here. What you're going to find here are videos on whatever I am passionate about at the moment, because when I am into something, I am into something. I go deep, I learn, I explore, and then I teach and I share. And right now, that passion is the Amazon Influencer Program. And so most of my videos currently are going to be about that, tools to help you be more successful there, tips, conversations, etc., that are really focused on the Amazon Influencer Program. I am also a certified astrologer and into human design and other holistic topics, so you might find those videos from time to time as well. I have been very successful in the Amazon Influencer Program for the past almost 2 years and absolutely love it. I've been an entrepreneur for 15 years and just love this space to play in. I am glad you're here. I hope to add some value to your day. Please subscribe, like the videos, comment, and join our community here on YouTube. I also have a community on Facebook and an email letter. So I look forward to connecting with you.